Kũringana na Ndindi, Ministry ya Gĩthomo ndĩrĩ na waragania gwakinya nĩ mũgaire wa mbeca cia mathomo kũrĩ mathukuru ma mũingĩ, na ona ndĩharĩrĩirie kũigana mbere ya kũhingũrwo gwa kĩrathi kĩa grade 10 mweri-inĩ ũkĩte wa Januari, ũndũ ũrĩa augĩte waya gũthoga mathomo na njĩra nene.
The foundation of the Kenyan economy, msingi ya uchumi wa Kenya ni elimu, na tumeona this week tumepata mtihani imekuwa released kwa ile mfumo mpya. I have been interacting with the principals in the constituency I represent Kiharu, na naona ya kwamba mashule zetu they are not well briefed about what to do in January in terms of grade 9 who are going to grade 10. And I'm calling upon the government and the ministry ya elimu, you should be preparing on how quality should be enhanced so that elimu ile tuko mfumo mpya, the transition that is happening for the first time in January is seamless.
Mũmbunge ũyũ wa Kiharu augĩte ũũ hĩndĩ ya igongona rĩa kũhumba arutwo thũmbĩ Thika, rĩu akĩenda ona arutwo a mathukuru ma andũ kĩũmbe maheagwo mbeca cia mathomo ma ngathĩ ya igũrũ.
Should be talking about increasing capitation, not about reducing it. Secondly, the entrepreneurs who have private institutions of higher learning, like colleges, they are literally doing government work. Anyone who has a college in Kenya is adding into the human capital of the Republic of Kenya. And therefore, it is important that the learners in the health colleges and other colleges in Kenya, which are private, they must also start being beneficiaries of the Higher Education Loans Board.
Mĩario yake ĩgĩkĩrwo hinya nĩ arũgamĩrĩri a thukuru wa JFC mũnene.
Many students are not able to get major courses like pharmacy, medical lab and the rest because of the cluster. Please, we want to work on the cluster. When we come to parliament, please, the KCSE graduates who come out, majority don't get that cluster. So push for us as medical colleges.
Mnapoondoka katika lango hii, kumbukeni kwamba jambo la kwanza, washa akili zenyu. Endeleeni kujifunza, kuuliza maswali na kuhamasisha wengine. Vile vile tuache ubunifu. Tuwe wavumilivu, kwani uvumilivu wenyu ndio nguvu na suluhisho zinazohitajika katika jamii na maisha kijumla.
We're proposing, I wanted to tell you, we're proposing an 88-bed hospital here. It will be a cardiac, hepatic, renal center of excellence. We intend to absorb all our graduates here as they go. We leave nobody out.
Ino ni ceceni ya Inoro TV Thika, na niĩ njĩtagwo Moses Ngigĩ.